Imagine you're walking through your backyard on a warm summer afternoon. You notice a strange-looking insect sitting quietly on a leaf. It doesn't look dangerous. No giant teeth, no stinger, no warning colors. You reach out to touch it, and seconds later, a burning pain shoots through your hand. A pain so intense that many people never forget it. This is the assassin bug, an insect so terrifying that scientists named it after a professional killer. But what makes this creature so dangerous? How does it hunt? And what would happen if one attacked you? Today, we're diving into the dark world of one of nature's deadliest predators.
Chapter 1. What is an assassin bug? Despite its terrifying name, the assassin bug isn't one single species. It's actually a family of more than 7,000 different species found all around the world. They live in forests, deserts, grasslands, and even people's gardens. Most are small, usually between half an inch and 1 inch long. But don't let their size fool you. These insects are highly specialized predators. Every part of their body is designed for one purpose: hunting. Their long legs help them move silently. Their huge eyes help them spot movement. And their most terrifying weapon is a sharp, needle-like mouth called a rostrum. This mouth works like a biological syringe, and that's where the nightmare begins.
Chapter 2. The Perfect Killer. Most predators chase their prey. Lions run. Eagles dive. Sharks swim at incredible speeds. The assassin bug does something completely different. It waits, perfectly still, sometimes for hours. Then, the moment another insect gets close enough, strike. In less than a second, the assassin bug drives its needle into its victim. Then it injects digestive enzymes. These chemicals begin breaking down the prey from the inside. Imagine your body turning into liquid. That's exactly what happens. After the inside of the victim becomes a nutrient-rich soup, the assassin bug simply drinks it. No chewing, no biting, just drinking. It's one of the most horrifying feeding methods in the entire animal kingdom. Chapter 3. Master of Disguise. Some assassin bugs take things even further. Certain species cover themselves with dust, dirt, and even the dead bodies of their victims. Scientists call them masked hunters. That's basically what these insects do. The disguise helps them stay hidden from predators, and it also allows them to sneak closer to their prey. Some species can even mimic ants. Others look like pieces of bark or dried leaves. Nature has turned these insects into living stealth machines. Chapter 4. The Painful Human Bite. Now for the question everyone wants answered. Can an assassin bug hurt humans? Yes, absolutely. Although they don't hunt people, they will bite if they feel threatened. And the pain is legendary. Victims often describe it as a red-hot needle, an electric shock, a knife burning under the skin. The bite can cause swelling, redness, and intense pain that may last for hours. Fortunately, most species aren't deadly to humans, but you'll definitely remember the experience. Many entomologists, scientists who study insects, say the assassin bug has one of the most painful insect bites they've ever experienced.
Chapter 5. The vampire assassin bug. Some members of the assassin bug family are even more frightening. They're called kissing bugs. Instead of hunting insects, they feed on blood. At night, they bite sleeping animals and humans, usually around the face. Suddenly, the assassin bug doesn't seem like just another backyard insect anymore. Chapter 6. Nature's secret hero. But here's the surprising twist. Assassin bugs are actually helpful. They eat many harmful pests. Caterpillars, aphids, beetles, and other insects that damage crops. Farmers often consider them natural pest control. Without predators like assassin bugs, many insect populations would explode. So even though they're terrifying, they're also important. Nature depends on them. Part 7. The fastest kill. Not all assassin bugs wait for hours. Some species attack in less than 1/10 of a second. That's faster than a human blink. Their prey often doesn't even realize what's happening. 1 second they're alive, the next they're being turned into liquid. For small insects, an assassin bug is like a silent ninja that appears out of nowhere. Part 8. They hunt creatures bigger than themselves. You might think an insect this small only hunts tiny prey. Think again. Some assassin bugs attack insects much larger than themselves. They've been seen killing caterpillars, beetles, bees, and even spiders. Imagine a house cat taking down a deer. That's how impressive these tiny predators really are. Part 9. The Cannibal Assassins. Here's something even darker. Some assassin bugs will eat their own kind. If food becomes scarce, they don't hesitate to attack another assassin bug.
In the insect world, survival comes first. Even family isn't safe.
Part 10, their deadliest enemy. Believe it or not, assassin bugs also have enemies. Birds, lizards, frogs, and even larger insects hunt them. That's why many species developed incredible camouflage. Their best defense isn't fighting, it's never being seen at all. Part 11, the baby assassins. Even baby assassin bugs are born hunters. The moment they hatch, they already know how to attack. No training, no parents teaching them. Everything is built into their instincts. They emerge from their eggs ready to become tiny killers.
Part 12. A million-year-old predator have existed for millions of years. That means dinosaurs may have lived alongside their ancient relatives. They're among nature's oldest and most successful hunters.
Part 13. The assassin bug versus a human. If one lands on your hand, don't panic. Most species only bite when they feel trapped. The best thing to do is stay calm and gently brush it away. Grabbing it or squeezing it is exactly what causes most bites. And trust me, this is one insect you don't want to make angry.
Part 14. The most terrifying fact. An assassin bug doesn't kill because it's evil. It kills because it's perfectly designed to do so. Every leg, every eye, every movement, everything about this insect has evolved for one purpose: to become one of nature's greatest predators. And that's what makes it so fascinating.
The scariest thing about assassin bugs isn't their bite. It's the fact that one could be living just a few feet away from you right now. In a garden, under a leaf, or hiding in a bush. Silent, patient, waiting for its next victim. Most people walk past these tiny hunters every day without ever knowing they're there.
In the end, the assassin bug is proof that you don't need to be big to be scary. It doesn't roar, it doesn't have giant claws, and it doesn't chase its victims. Instead, it waits in silence, then strikes with surgical precision, liquefying its prey and drinking it from the inside out. A tiny predator, a painful bite, and one of the most fascinating hunters on Earth. So next time you see a strange insect sitting quietly on a leaf, you might want to keep your distance, because you could be staring at the assassin bug.
Would you hold an assassin bug for $10,000? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more incredible creatures from the hidden world of insects.